In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create video overviews in NotebookLM. Start by going to NotebookLM in your web browser. Once the notebook loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the notebook you want to work in, because the overview you generate will be based on the content available in this space. Next, click on Highlight. This opens the area where you can select what you want NotebookLM to focus on for your overview. Think of highlighting as choosing the key source material or sections that you want summarized for a video-style explanation. If your notebook contains a lot of information, being selective here will help you get a clearer, more focused result. Now click on Explainer. This sets the format of the output so the overview reads more like a guided explanation, which is useful when you plan to turn the result into a video narration or on-screen overview. After that, click on Brief. Choosing Brief keeps the overview concise and easier to read aloud. It is ideal when you want a quick summary instead of a long, detailed breakdown. Next, click on English and then click on English again. This confirms the language setting for the generated overview. Even if English is already selected, clicking through makes sure the output language is set correctly before you generate anything, which helps avoid inconsistencies in the final result. After your settings are in place, return to Highlight and click Highlight several more times as needed. Each highlight click represents selecting additional parts of your content to include. The goal is to include the most important sections that support the message you want in your video overview. As you make these selections, aim for coverage of the main points without adding too much extra detail, since you already chose the brief format. When you are satisfied with what you have highlighted, and you have confirmed the explainer and brief options along with the English language setting, click Generate. NotebookLM will then create your video overview based on the highlighted material and the options you selected. Once it finishes generating, review the output for clarity and flow. If it feels too broad or too narrow, adjust what you highlighted and generate again until the overview matches your goal. That covers everything you need to know.